everybody.
Good
This
morning.
is Tony.
Zelda and TandZRVLife. We are full-time RVers who homeschool. That one in the back there.
Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, we just left Walmart, just kind of giving updates on Walmart, our Walmart anyway, and I'm sure they're following through with all the other Walmarts. We got to the store about 3 minutes to 7 in the morning, and there was a line. They are counting as they're going in. They're making sure that you keep 6 feet away, but it's still the same. It is very quiet. Almost everybody was wearing a mask. I forgot mine today, but I did not talk. I did have gloves, and I made sure I stayed far apart from people. Yeah, still food, very short, very limited. We did have toilet paper, but there's just one per family, and it's whether you buy a 4-pack, a 6-pack, or a 24-pack, one per family. And they only had the, was it 4-pack? The 4-pack. And it's 3 of us. And I'm a girl. Girls, y'all know. We use a lot
I
more
hope so.
We use a lot more toilet paper. But yeah, it's just everything is so limited. There was
No meat, steaks,
Nothing.
flour.
none.
They
The
did have sugar.
The shelves, they got like 6 to 10 items. That's what they have in stock.
Yeah, it looks like they're pushing out things that they've had for a while and then bringing them forward, and people are actually, they're buying them because that's all that you have available. So you do what you can. So we just went and got some extra items because we know it's going to get a little bit worse. And our area right now, the number of coronavirus cases are lower, but they're starting to climb. So people are going out and still not keeping that 6 feet distance. They have the strips on the floor. They have the strips all over the store. They have the signs up everywhere. And I'm going to put up probably in between here the picture of the registers now, because now they have the plastic up. It was funny. I went to the VA for treatment, and they had cut down the glass because people were complaining. The people at the other end of the VA were complaining they couldn't hear people walking in. Now, instead of putting in maybe mirrors or a bell system or something to let people know, or light even, that they're available, they have to go and put the glass back up because they're trying to prevent people from talking over them. And I hope that you're following the distance guidance, because some people are not. Went to the bank yesterday, and got to get some quarters. Went into the bank, and people are still coming up close to the window, not respecting that 6 feet distance. Me now, if I see somebody standing close, I'm going to say something. I know you've already said something to somebody, hey, step back, because they think it's a joke. It's no joke. This is serious. But anyway, just wanted to give you an update. Anything else you want to say?
No, just be safe. If
Yes.
you have the funds to go buy canned goods, because the meat is going to get worse.
And canned goods you can always use later.
Because that's what we are doing. We are buying canned goods that we like. Let's stock up on that. Because we're going to be traveling in June, hopefully, going back to Ohio, if we can travel.
Yes.
So we're trying to get everything done and stocked up so we don't have to be stopping all over, going across country.
Yes.
So that's all I got to say. Be safe.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell. Like. Make a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you want to hear from us. We'd appreciate that too.
Bye.
Bye.